बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह का नाम लेकर जो बहुत बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम वाला है। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। वेलकम टू द फर्ड इंटरनेशनल स्कूल सिस्टम एंड अकेडमी हसन अब्दाल। हियर आई एम सईदा रियासत। इट इज़ माई फर्स्ट लेक्चर ऑफ social study for class 5. How are you students? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn the chapter number 1 exercise. The topic is the Indus Valley Civilization. Today we will do exercise. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Write about the sewerage system in Indus Valley Civilization. Answer. The most important aspect of the houses built in the Indus Valley Civilization was where their sewerage system. All the towns had straight main streets and sewers. People entered their houses through side lanes. The only opening in the main streets were of the ring. Duties. These charities entered the covered drains which carried the waste into the rivers and streams nearby. Even the smallest houses were included in these drain systems. Question number 2. In your opinion, which things showed that the people loved cleanliness? Answer. These people had excellent sewerage systems. Even the smallest house had access to these systems. Also, almost every house had its private bath. The majority of the large houses also had their own private wells. In addition to this, there was a big public bath known as the Great Bath. These things shows that the people loved cleanliness. Question number 3. What are the evidence that show that the people stayed with the other peoples? There has been a clear evidence that the peoples of the Indus Valley civilization traded with the another great civilization, Mesopotamia. There have been many common objects in all the cities, which means that they trade with each other. Also, sails have been found which were used to sail the sacks of goods. The same sails have been found in the cities of Mesopotamia, suggesting that they traded among each other. The Mesopotamia trade documents and the list of goods mentioned the names of Milaha. This was the ancient name of Indus region. Question number 4. What were the theories regarding the end of the civilization? Answer. Various people have put forward different theories. Some says that the invention from the hill tribes resulted in the end of civilization. A few talk about an epidemic in the regions. Some others feel that titanic events must have occurred to flood the cities or dry up the rivers. The course of the rivers must have changed. The cause of the end of civilization is unknown. Question number 5. If scientists are able to unlock the secret of this civilization's script, which mysteries area would you like to learn about? Answers. I would like to know about the Great Bath. What was it used for? Was it used for public swimming pools or was it used for a religious purpose? I would also like to know how they are irrigated their fields in the dry months. The mysteries surrounding the end of the civilization is also fascinates me. I would like to know how such a great civilization ended. Question B. Make the following. Harappa, Punjab, Mohenjo-daro. Answer Mohenjo-daro, Sindh. Great granary, strong grains, great baths, public bathing figurines, terracotta, sails, statite, Mulaha, Indus region. 1921 to 1922 excavations. Can you identify them? This area is called Great Bard, Indus reservoirs, statite sails, bullock cart, Main Street, jewelry set. Now we will read chapter number 2. The topic is the mighty Mughals part 2. Today we will do exercise. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Out of the 3 Mughal emperors, which one played a more important role in the history of India? Answer. Aurangzeb played a very important role in the history of India. He ruled for 50 years, the longest ruling Mughal emperor. The Mughal Empire reached its greatest size during his reign because of his military campaigns he posed shows the tactical skills as a military leaders done to this. He won all his military campaigns. He left behind an empire that was immense in size. He practiced what he preached and led a simple and disciplined life. He had good administrative skills and was able and competent. Question number 2. What was Jahangir's sound decision and why was it sound? Answer. It was a sound decision of Jahangir's part not to try change to many of Akbar's reforms of government. With the few minor changes, he managed to please both Muslims and Hindus. Question number 3. Why did Shah Jahan rebel against his father? Answer. Shah Jahan rebelled because he knew that his father's favorite wife Noor-e-Jahan wanted her own son-in-law to succeed Jahangir instead of him. Question number 4. What were the unpopular reforms that angered Aurangzeb's subjects? Why were they unpopular? He reimposed the jizya tax on the Hindus which Akbar had abolished. He also reimposed customs duties. Both these reforms angered his subject because the reforms were harsh and unfair, as the jizya tax was only for the Hindus. Question B. Following are the picture of 3 Mughal emperors. Identify them and under each write their original names, the names that they took when they ascended the throne and their meanings. Salim Jahangir, Conqueror of the world. Khurram Shah Jahan, Emperor of the world. Muhyiddin Muhammad Aurangzeb Alamgir conquest of the universe. Option C. Match the following. Aurangzeb region 1658 177. Jahangir wife Noor-e-Jahan Jahangir regions 1605 and 1626. Shahjahan wife Mumtaz Mahal Shahjahan regions 1628 to 1658. Jahangir son Dara Sheikh Shahjahan son Jahangir son Prince Khusro. Shahjahan sons Dara Sheikh. Choose the correct answers and writes. The oldest Mughal emperor Aurangzeb, he loved painting portraits. Jahangir, imprisoned in the Agra fort. Shah Jahan ordered all male relatives killed, none of them. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे आपके सोशल स्टडीज़ फॉर क्लास 5 के 2 चैप्टर्स। आपके फर्स्ट टर्म के पेपर्स में 3 चैप्टर्स आएंगे। आपने इन 2 चैप्टर्स के आंसर्स के क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स याद करने हैं और लिखने हैं। अगर किसी बात की समझ ना आए तो स्कूल के नंबर पर रब्ता करके पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।